Hello, welcome to Lumira's Garage. What we're going to do today is replacing the engine valve cover gasket for 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. And if this is interest you, stay tuned. And also, if this video helpful, please consider to subscribe, like, and share so we can grow this channel and hopefully we can help more people. So this just go it.
So first, obviously, we're going to remove these sensors. The map sensors and the wires because it's on the way, and we're gonna unclip these wires here for the coil. You're gonna need a small screwdriver to release the clip. So the whole thing will come out. Now we're gonna remove the back. There's also a clip there. I'm just gonna fast forward because it's a little bit long video. So now we're going to remove the coil. I'm checking the spark plug right now because it's leaking there, oil. So the spark plug seems to be okay. Let's put it back. Now we're ready to remove the screws. So after that, all you have to do is just pull it out slowly. There it is. It's a little bit dirty. The camshaft also, there's a sludge build up. Maybe the owner is not changing the oil on time. So now I'm cleaning all the silicone here on the corner because they put silicone here on this corner so that it will seal up properly. So make sure everything is clean. Scrape all the excess old silicone or sealant. I'm using a blade to remove the dirt. So I'm using a Scotch Brite to make it even smoother. You just gotta take your time, just don't rush it because you don't want to leak, you don't want this seal will leak again, right? So make sure it's gonna be 100% clean, no oil, no nothing. That way gasket will really stick into the part. So here's the valve cover. It's made of plastic. Usually, if you can afford to replace this, you should replace it. But for now, because we only have oil on the spark plug, that's why one of the reasons that just replacing the gasket. Nothing really wrong with this cover, but again, if you can afford to replace it, it's just better to replace it. And also this one, you have to clean it properly. And here's the new gasket. This is our aftermarket gasket. This is not original, but if you can afford original, that would be good. So now, since this is not an original gasket, it's a little bit hard to put it in, especially on that corner there. Okay, this is passenger side corner. Because of the curvature, the seal won't really sit properly, but just keep pushing until it satisfies you to how it sits, because if you don't push it properly, it will stick out. So now here I am, I'm going to put a gasket maker onto the part, into the engine here. So here's this. Just put a adequate gasket there, or sealer, just enough, don't put too much, especially on the very corner there. And here it is. Just put this cover back. And make sure you start torquing from metal all the way to the side to side when you tighten the bolts or screws. And I actually zip tie this wire here because it's coming back, so that way it won't come back. So I put the zip tie in it. And now it's already back. The alternator cable, it's next. So now I'm putting the alternator cable and sensor, or the sweater cable. So now the coil. And this is pretty much done, right? So that's about it. I hope this video helpful. If you have any question, just comment down below, and we go from there. And if this video helpful, let me know, or give it a like, so that we can grow, or subscribe the channel so we can grow this channel, and we can help more people in the future. So I'm putting a zip tie on the wires here because they're really loose. And that's it. All done. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.